I'm not doing anything. I'm street legal.
What the f is everybody doing?
He wasn't speeding, he wasn't breaking the law, but somehow he became the target. And when the cops showed up, everything changed.
I'm not doing anything, man. I'm not doing. I'm street legal, man. I'm not doing anything. I'm street legal.
What the f is everybody doing?
I ride the trails, man. I am.
I'm recording this too.
I'm not doing shit. I'm street legal. I got
one stop.
everything's up to date. I'm not on that bullshit, man.
What is all this?
Shit, I don't know these.
Stop. Pull it over right now. Pull it over.
I ride trails. I don't ride with these kids, man.
You got a plate?
Yeah, I'm 100%. Yeah, man. And all that shit. I don't do all that shit.
Doesn't matter. You see everybody riding all over the place? What's the name of this group?
I don't know, man. I'm not on that dirtbag shit, man.
Okay.
I'm 100. Look.
Are you the fall guy that just stops so that we talk to you?
I don't do that shit.
Follow the rules, stay calm, and don't get pulled into chaos. And trust me, what's coming next? Even crazier. Watch till the end. Hunting for a girl through the streets. Finally, a cop shows up, and she's right there. Chaos, laughs, and a crazy ride. Don't miss a second.
So anyway, I say to him,
I have a quick question.
yeah.
Have you ever been on a backpack before?
Have I what?
Have you ever been on the back of a motorcycle before?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Would you want to?
I can, dude.
Off duty?
No.
No? Dang it.
I'm a stranger.
What? I'm not a stranger.
You are too.
My name's Connor.
Nice to meet you, Connor.
What's your name?
Officer Morris.
Officer Morris. Nice to meet you.
Do you have any junior caramel?
Oh, this guy.
I do, but you're not a kid.
One of you?
I do, but you're not a kid.
How do you know?
You're riding a bike, aren't you?
You better not be a kid, or else we're gonna have another issue with
Oh no, we're not having that. I used to be a junior caramel officer. Come on.
I do my car.
Check me out. I'm legal.
I had one. I don't have any. I really don't have any anymore. I gave my last two to kids.
If you see me by my car, I can get you one, but I'm not walking back for you. Sorry.
Wow.
Dang.
I mean that nicely.
Wow. I know. Thank you for everything you guys both do.
Absolutely.
So, I just wanted a sticker. That's all.
Oh, it's Caleb.
Alright, y'all get out of here.
Thanks.
Please.
Alright, sorry, my bad.
Back all the way.
His bike went down for some reason. Two cops rush over to stop him, but he grabs his bike and forcefully takes off.
Come on.
Listen, don't move. Get off the bike. Get off the bike.
Come on! I wasn't even doing anything wrong!
Always stay calm and follow the law. Never try to outrun or confront the police. This biker was flying, hitting over 100 miles per hour on a public road. So the police pulled him over. And what happened next wasn't just a warning. See it for yourself.
So the reason to stop says your speed.
Alrighty.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
I do have like my actual license, just not on me. It's at my house.
Okay. Alright.
Or I have like a motorcycle permit too, still till February 2024 also.
Okay. Do you own the bike?
Yes,
Okay.
it's in my name too.
Okay. Do you have...
I do have actually like registration and stuff inside my back if I can get that.
That's perfect. Do you know how fast you're going?
It was like 75, like 80.
102. I did block your speed at 89 miles per hour though.
Okay.
So I will be writing you for the 89.
Okay.
Not the 102. And we'll be issuing a citation. What's a good phone number for you?
The lady officer makes it clear. This is his second ticket this year. One more. And his license isn't just at risk, it's gone. So she tells him, slow down or lose it.
And you said this is your second speeding ticket?
Yes, yes.
Within the year?
Yes, within the year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will say if you get one more,
Yeah.
they will most likely suspend your license.
Okay.
It will be a mandatory court appearance,
Okay.
and it will be a greater fine.
All
So I
right.
would definitely try
Yeah,
not to
definitely
get...
do. So if I from my last one that I got,
I can look it up.
Okay, because
So
I know I got one like a couple months ago.
Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Well, for one, it was for 101 miles per
Yeah.
hour. So I got you at 102. So you're gonna have to wait till next September.
So
Hopefully not get a speeding ticket. But
But,
it was pretty late. It was like September 28th.
Okay.
So which means basically you have to go through the entire month, almost, of September to not get a speeding ticket. And I'm gonna write you for the 89.
Okay, thank you again for that.
Honestly, if I seen the 101 first,
Yeah.
I would have wrote you for the 102. But I will not do that. Okay?
Well, thank you again for that. I'm sure my insurance lady would
It's
not. She wasn't fond of me already. I got life insurance policy set up for the 20th, so.
Oh, there you go.
So yeah.
I mean, I hope you don't take your life on here.
Yeah, no, that's not the plan for the life insurance policy. So, yep.
All right.
But,
Well, I'm gonna get your citation for you, and then I'll be right back.
all right, thank you.
Routine traffic stop turns tense. A biker argues with the cops, questioning if he's even being detained. Respect, rules, and a close call. Watch how it unfolds.
I'm trying to stay far from you. What's going on?
What?
Well, I was asking what was going on.
Where's your ID at? No, go ahead, give me your ID. You just decided to interfere.
I wasn't
I'm
interfering.
on a traffic stop and you decided to talk to me, so where's your ID?
I was waiting politely.
Where's your ID? You just asked me what's going on, where's your ID?
Well, I wasn't being detained.
You're not, but you're interfering with my traffic stop.
I'm not interfering. Your traffic stop's over.
My traffic stop's not over. Do you see me leaving? My
No,
lights
but
are
you're
still
done
on.
talking to him.
I'm waiting for him to get out of here.
Huh?
Okay, it's not over until he's gone.
Okay.
Okay? So you are free to go.
Okay.
You had no reason to pull up on me.
Oh, that's why I came over here, so you could see me.
I can see
I was
you,
trying to be
bro.
respectful.
I get it. But throwing your hands up in the air, guess what? We will chase you.
Who threw our hands in
One
here?
of you, either you or the other guy.
Is that illegal?
Two bikers were doing wheelies right behind the police car, like they didn't care about anything. Suddenly, the officer slammed the brakes, stepped out, and tried to stop them immediately. And then, what happened next? These riders were tailgating a state trooper way too close, so the officer stopped them, not to punish, but to warn. One more move like that, and things could have gone very differently.
Let me start off with this. I'm not writing either one of y'all a ticket, but I had y'all 4 times coming right back up on my bum. I was trying to create space, so if I had to bust across this median, y'all wouldn't ram into the back of me. Because I'm going to make everyone's life easier because Virginia is a super slow state. I'm not even going to run the stuff to give y'all a warning. Just take it as a verbal warning. Just state trooper especially, because we are a little bit more aggressive with traffic enforcement because we're out here, honestly, that's our sole words. It's our sole focus for Highway Patrol in North Carolina to keep the motoring public safe. Yeah. So that's all I'm worried about. So in doing so, I'm looking for the guys going 130, and I've had a few doing that.
Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned. More insane rides coming up.